Hello, my name is Tong from Wasabi Creation. My company creates awesome projects for bridging Japan and Singapore. I am one of the organizers for Wasabi Insight, a business networking event for Japanese, Singaporeans, and expatriate professionals. It is a platform for our business community to exchange ideas, share expertise, and promote collaborations.
Hi, I'm Kelly from New Business Asia and formerly Executive Director of Spirit of Enterprise. When I met Tong a few months ago, we started discussing these unique business opportunities that connects Japanese and ASEAN professionals. With our combined experiences and resources, we formed this synergistic partnership and created Wasabi Insight.
This is Matsuda from NNA. NNA is a news agency company. This event is the first time we are planning for Japanese company and non-Japanese company.
はじめまして、私は千葉和也です。鈴尾シンガポールのダイレクターを務めています。シンガポールに来てまだ1年足らずですが、シンガポールでのいろいろなチャンスにとても驚きつつ、ここで仕事をしています。このイベントでは人脈を広げて皆様のお手伝いをできるようにいい機会だと思いますので、ぜひ活かしたいと思っています。